Ever find yourself in your kitchen, surrounded by outdated appliances and mismatched decor, wondering if there's a better way? Today, we're diving into the secrets of modern kitchens that can turn your cooking space into a haven. Did you know that the average kitchen gets remodeled every 17 years? Let's not wait that long. Get ready to discover the game-changing elements of modern kitchen design. Say goodbye to kitchen blues and hello to a culinary sanctuary. Modern kitchens are not just about aesthetics, they're a lifestyle upgrade waiting to happen. Hey, it's Modern Decor here, and let me tell you, my kitchen used to be the least inspiring place in my home. The struggle was real until I stumbled upon the wonders of modern kitchen design. Stick around to find out how it turned my cooking nightmares into a dream come true. Kitchens are the heartbeat of a home, right? But mine felt more like a stuck record until I embraced modern design. Today, I'll share how this journey changed the way I cook, eat, and live, and why you should care too. We're about to embark on a tour of modern kitchens, exploring not just the glossy images, but the practical steps you can take to transform your own space. From sleek aesthetics to practical solutions, get ready for a roller coaster of inspiration and tips that will make your kitchen the envy of the neighborhood. Let's kick things off by demystifying the jargon around modern kitchen design. What exactly is a smart kitchen, and why does it matter? We're breaking it down for you. Ever wondered why we've moved from grandma's cozy, cluttered kitchen to these clean, minimalist spaces? Let's take a quick trip down kitchen memory lane to understand how we got here. Raise your hand if you've ever lost your favorite spatula in the abyss of your cluttered drawers. Guilty. We'll talk about common kitchen challenges and why a modern approach might be the answer. How many times have you juggled pots and pans, desperately searching for space? If you've ever wished for more order in your cooking chaos, you're in the right place. Brace yourself for a kitchen glow-up. We're about to reveal the secrets that will have you looking at your kitchen in a whole new light. Get ready to embrace change, because the benefits of modernizing your kitchen go way beyond aesthetics. Stay tuned for the aha moments. We're not just teasing. We'll break down the steps to transform your kitchen in a way that's realistic and achievable. No need to be an interior designer. We've got your back. We asked you to drop your burning questions, and boy, did you deliver. It's time for a rapid-fire Q&A session, so stay tuned for the answers you've been seeking. Your questions make this community thrive, so keep them coming. The Kitchen Revolution is a group effort. Ready for a challenge? I'll guide you through a simple activity that will kickstart your kitchen transformation. No need to be an artist. This is about practical changes you can make today. And don't forget to share your progress in the comments. Your journey might be the motivation someone else needs. We're turning the spotlight on you. I'll be featuring some of your kitchen transformations, because hey, we're in this together. Your story could be the inspiration someone needs to take the leap. Let's celebrate each other's wins. Before we wrap up, let's revisit the key takeaways. Spoiler, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Your kitchen glow-up is closer than you think. Let's recap the essentials before you dive into your own transformation. If you're vibing with this journey, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs a kitchen boost, and don't forget to subscribe. Your support keeps this community thriving. Drop a comment, share your thoughts, your struggles, your victories. We're all ears. And check the video description for resources to fuel your kitchen makeover. Huge shout out to each one of you for joining me today. Your time and energy are the driving force behind this community. I appreciate you more than words can say. Until next time, happy cooking, and here's to the beginning of your kitchen adventure. What's next on our journey? I've got some exciting topics lined up, so make sure you're subscribed. Your dream kitchen is just the start of the adventure. Stay tuned for more practical tips, real-life stories, and maybe a few surprise collaborations. I can't wait to continue this journey with you.